Hey guys, today we're playing some Fox Simulator. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoy. So we're gonna learn how to be a fox. I'm gonna transform into a fox very soon. Now I'm now a fox. Gee, look at that! How much animals are around me in that circle of animals. As you can see, a lot of animals, but I'm not sure. Let's go try to get. I think we're supposed to eat them. And this is how you run. You press the little arrow thing. That is how you run. And then that's how you stop running. Just play it again. And this is how you hit. I'm pretty sure. But I have no idea what that button is with the wolf on it. Or fox. I don't know what that button is for. But I'm gonna go run and try to find a. Ooh, stop hurting, stop hurting. Very slow. No llama. And punch. Punch it. Got it, I got it. Let's eat it. Yummy. Yummy. I love it. What the heck? Did it just like went underground? Was like, I miss going underground. Ah, there we go. Just like went under. Let's try to kill the other llama. So we'll kill this llama. 3, 2, 1, go. I never knew llamas can attack foxes. Very weird, but I am better than llama. Yummy. That was yummy. That's very yummy. Okay then. Oh, there are moose over there. 2 moose. Oh no. I think moose are predators, so that's gonna be bad. Let's start. Just go walk slowly. Run. I'm better than a moose. I could defeat a moose. A little smaller can do it. Yum. That was yummy. What? Okay, it looks like a moose is coming towards me. I better run because I think I have. I don't. I think we should go rest though. Let's rest. So I can get. Because see up there, right by in the corner, in the top, in the corner, it has my health and my energy. So I think we have to stay a little bit. There we go. Okay, I'm in a healed, so we have to. I guess we can run now. Because it matters how you run. How much energy we're gonna. Okay, we lost. It's just me and Moose fighting. I got a moose again. I want to get some other animals. Let's get some other animals. Let's go try to get some other animals. I'd like to know other animal. I think I'm the only animal alive. Yes. Okay, I'll try to get other animals, I guess. I'm gonna find some. Oh, there, on our screen. Let's go this way then. You can just turn around, you know. You don't need to walk back. There was some on our screen, but then we missed it. But, I guess we have to try to find some. And find some animals besides us. Oh, just some animals. Say animals. Run. Animals in the circle. Yes, perfect. Oh my gosh, there's so much llamas. Ugh. Okay, I did not. That was like the worst attack ever. Okay, let's go talk. Llama versus fox. Fox will probably win. Yummy. Let's eat some. That was yummy. Well, I guess we should get some rest. Let's go. Get some rest. Here's another llama. Another llama. Another llama. You llama. I will attack you someday. Ugh. Not today. Perfect. It looks like I'm in snow. Hello, llama. Why are they a llama in the winter? That's so weird. Like, it's like winter time. I mean, I should be hibernating right now. Let's just, like, keep it there and see what happens. Back up. What's gonna happen if we leave? Oh! Oh, it just... Okay. Who's gonna face me? I'm gonna... Because of a fox. None. Yeah. So far, we just get llamas and moose. I wonder if there are other animals we can get. Llama. Come on, attack me. Yep, that's right. You attack me. I'll attack you then. I get to eat this time. Yummy llama. Why am I eating llamas? This is so weird. Try to find an animal. I cannot be the only animal out here. I don't see any animals. Llamas. I think those are llamas again. Llamas. Let's go faster. Perfect. A llama. Oh, there are moose too. The llamas and the moose. Come on. Come on. Who's ready to fight me? Hi, llama. I'm gonna follow you. Because you sound cool. I'll attack you. Why do llamas attack foxes? So weird. OMG, I have like no energy. Oh my goodness. Let's just stay here for a little while till I get my energy. We'll also eat this. I really need to heal up. Definitely need to heal up. I was pushing the llama. Yep, that's right. I'm gonna attack you. Oh, there are two moose. Let's just run now. 'Cause I can fly. I want to try to find a fox. I want to see if I can eat a fox. I don't want to eat you, llama. I don't want to eat a moose or a llama. I want to eat a foxy fox. Okay, let's just try to get my energy back. Look at my little wiggly tail. There we go. I want to fight a fox so I can eat a fox. I want to see if we can eat a fox. So cool if we could. No, I'm not gonna fight any moose. It's a fox. I want to eat a fox. I'm not sure if I can find a fox, so. Okay, let's get some energy up. There, moose. Let's try to get the moose. No, I don't know if I could. I want to eat a fox. Energy up. I don't know where to find this. I want a fox. I want to eat the fox. That's really weird to say it. weird if you say it. Sounds weird if you say it. Let's go try to get this moose. Yeah, that's right. I'll beat you up. I'll beat you up. I'm gonna win this battle. That's right. I'm winning. That's right. I'm winning. And I'll kill you. You've probably just been alive in 1 second. I'll still kill you. Yummy. We're gonna eat it. We're gonna eat it. We're gonna eat it. That's yummy. Try to find a fox. Anywhere a fox would be okay. What am I doing? Oh my gosh, it's so glitchy. No. Let me go back. Oh my gosh, I'm in the side of the mountain. Let's get back. That's so. Oh no. No! It's so glitchy! No, it's so glitchy! I'm sorry, guys. I think I need to do something. I need to restart. I need to restart again. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. This is so glitchy. So glitchy. So glitchy. I don't like glitchy glitch. Okay, come on. Why is it taking forever? You guys, I'm sorry, guys. I think you guys had to see my beautiful screen again. Okay, let's go in. Want to go there again. I don't know what's gonna happen. Still a bug screen. But it's so much lag. Guys, I'm gonna delete it. I'm gonna clear all. Guys, I guess I don't know what to do now. I'm so bored now. This is like the shortest video on our. Should I just end it, guys? No, I'm not gonna end it. Oh. Okay, we'll go close it, I guess. We'll go back in then. Sorry guys about this. So laggy. So laggy. So glitchy. Why did I go to the mountain? It's my fault. No. Sorry guys, it's an ad. So sorry guys, you guys don't need to watch this. There you go. It was an ad. Like it always does. It always shows these ad. I don't like ads. Don't you guys like ads? Because I do not like ads. So yeah. I don't know why I was making that thing. Oh, what you do? Focus on the screen, guys. I totally need to try to get it. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try to get the fox. No, I don't want you to get me, please, no. No, please, no, I'm gonna try to run away from you. Please, no, I don't want to attack you. I want to attack the fox. Oh my gosh, can we actually get the fox? I want to actually get the fox. No, okay, fine, I'll attack you first if you really want me. Fine, whatever, I'll attack you. I died. No, I don't want to see this. I died. Guys, I died. Ugh. That was good at this game. Looks like I'm not. Why did the moose want to attack me? I'm the person who always wants to attack moose. Let's just try to find it. I don't want to go. What is that little rainbow thing on the screen thing? I want to try to get it. Oh, it's a parrot. I want to try to get it. Get the parrot. It's not going to attack back. Attack me. I'm just kidding. Don't attack me. Please don't. I'm going to... No. I leveled up, I think. Yeah, I leveled up, yeah. That was good. They're fox, they're fox, they're fox. Try to get the fox. Try to get the fox. Let's try to get a fox. How much we could actually get a fox? We actually got the fox. Oh my gosh, we got it. We can eat a fox, and we are a fox. Oh my goodness, we can actually eat it. That's so cool. I think they're another fox. No, I think mooses are not my enemy. I don't like moose. They tried to defeat me without me trying to defeat them. I think we're just gonna run around and see what we can do. I'm not going to do that mountain again. It was so glitchy when I did that. I was just trying to climb it. See, these trees are pretty cool. Why is it winter? I should be hibernating right now. Seriously. Oh no, I'll go hibernate. I guess I could try hibernating in the tall grass. Yeah. Wow, this is a great hibernation. So cool. I'm just kidding. I'm being sarcastic. Can I just like walk? There we go. I'm walking faster. I'm running, boy. I'm running, boys and girls. I'm running, boys and girls. Okay, I'm bored. Try to find somebody. Try to find the one who must be eaten. There are more foxes! Oh my gosh, should I try to get a fox again? Totally gonna try. Oh wait, and in Arctic Quest, we have to eat 2 parrots, or I don't know what they even are. And they're one on our screen, I can see it. Let's just gotta keep going forward then. Okay, let's just try to get it, find it again. We'll find. Oh, I just disappeared. That's sad. I'm gonna try to get another. Oh, there it is. There it is. Trying to run more, one more. I can't actually see any parrots right now, so oh no. The 2 moose, those are like the worst monsters. But they're a parrot thinking, I don't know what it is, but we'll try to get it. There you go. Try to get that parrot. I want to get the parrot. It's like taking forever. How can I not get the parrot? The parrot on the screen. Oh my gosh, it's gone now. Oh no, let's just keep going. Let's just go this way. Yep, we're getting closer to the. Yes, we're getting so close to it. Oh, I know we're not. What am I thinking? Am I thinking? No, I don't want to try to get the moose. No, it's moose is trying to get me. Run! Run! Okay. Okay, it's not the time. It's not the time. We're not gonna get the parrot. I forget about it. I don't care. Okay, I think we're good. We good? Yeah, I think we're good. I'm gonna run just in case if we're not good. Almost. No! I'm so scared. Please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't. I'll attack you back. I'm not even attacking. I'm pressing the. I don't like moose. I hate moose. I don't like moose anymore now. I do not like this anymore. Well, anyway, I don't want to watch this ad. I want to do the perfect outro. So anyway, thanks for you guys watching. If you liked this video, please leave a like. Smash that like button. If it's the first time watching one of my videos, please subscribe. And I'll see you next time on. Mythos Shalom. So good. Bye.